Alright, you're ready to add pictures now. So you're going to go to Create. You're going to want to do on the left side to create Animoto Memories and pick a background. This will shape which way the video goes and the motions of how they change the picture. You're going to create the video. Now, at this point, you need to have about 5 to 8 images to add. So we're going to click up here and go to Google. You want to make sure you do it in another tab so that way you don't close out Animoto. It makes it easier. I'm going to go over here to Images. And I'm going to type my person. So if I'm doing Ben Carson, I can see a lot of pictures. I'm just going to save a couple to add. I like this picture of him because it represents. So after I click on it, I'm going to come to the side and do a quick right click. And now I'm going to save the image as. To make it quicker to find, I'm going to save it under my desktop. So I'm going to hit save, and Ben Carson's name is on there. Then I'm going to go down, and I'd like to find one with him and the twins, or at least him in surgery. So I'm just going to quickly save this one by right-clicking, Save Image As, make sure it says Desktop, and then Save. Now to add them to the video, I'm going to open Animoto up. I'm first going to go ahead and go to Add Pics and Videos. I'm going to upload. Now this is where it gets tricky. I need to click on my desktop because that's where the picture's located. And I see Ben Carson. I click on it and hit Open. I'm going to go ahead and add the other one, and I'm going to add it this way by adding on this side Photos, Upload, and then I'm going to do the second one.